Hi, my name is Nyleem, and I'm an event planning major here at Coastal Alabama Community College. Today, I will be showing you how to do a Dole Whip lemonade for the summer. To start, we're gonna have pineapple chunks, coconut milk, and lemonade. And to top it off, we're gonna have cherries and pineapple chunks. So first, we're gonna put a cup of pineapple. They're supposed to be frozen, but if not, that's okay. Half a cup of coconut milk. And we're gonna do a cup of lemonade. And you put it all together and blend it up. Now we get our cup, or actual pineapple, and we're gonna, put it all in here. Okay, after we do that, we're going to garnish it with a pineapple and a cherry. Place it in there. Have your refreshing drink for the summer.